Hey there, party people, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's familiar to many of us, hangovers. Ever wondered what they are, how they happen, and most importantly, how to make them a bit more bearable? Well, you're in the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the world of hangovers, their causes, and some effective strategies to help you bounce back from those fun-filled nights. So, grab some water, find a cozy spot, and let's get started. Hangover is the term used to describe the unpleasant symptoms experienced after consuming large amounts of alcohol. Hangover symptoms vary from person to person, but the most common include headache, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, thirst, dizziness, sensitivity to light and sound, difficulty concentrating, and malaise. To understand how hangovers occur, it's important to understand how the body processes alcohol. When you consume alcohol, your body breaks it down into a substance called acetaldehyde, which is toxic. The acetaldehyde is then broken down into acetate, which is a less toxic substance and can be used as an energy source by the body. However, the process of breaking down alcohol and acetaldehyde can produce several side effects that contribute to hangover symptoms. Dehydration is one of the main factors contributing to hangovers. Alcohol is a diuretic, which means it increases urine output and can lead to dehydration. Dehydration can cause thirst, dry mouth, and fatigue. In addition to dehydration, alcohol can also irritate the stomach lining, which can cause nausea, vomiting, and gastrointestinal upset. Alcohol can also affect blood sugar levels, which can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and difficulty concentrating. While there's no miracle hangover cure, there are some steps you can take to ease symptoms and speed recovery. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water to compensate for dehydration caused by alcohol. You can also opt for isotonic drinks to replenish lost electrolytes. Rest. Adequate sleep helps the body recover. Try to get enough rest so that your body recovers and has time to repair the damage caused by alcohol. Healthy eating. Opt for nutritious, easy-to-digest foods. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals, such as fruits and vegetables, can help restore nutrient levels in your body. Pain relievers. If headache is one of the main symptoms, you can take over-the-counter pain relievers, such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen, following the directions on the package. Avoid additional alcohol consumption. Although you may be tempted to have an alcoholic drink to feel better, this will only delay recovery and could worsen symptoms. Light physical activity. Engaging in gentle physical activity, such as taking a walk, can help release endorphins and improve your mood. However, avoid strenuous exercise, as they could increase dehydration and worsen symptoms. Hangover relief drinks and foods. Some drinks and foods are considered popular home remedies for relieving hangover symptoms. These include coconut water, orange juice, chicken broth, bananas, ginger, and herbal tea. While there is no solid scientific evidence to support their effectiveness, many people claim that they help them feel better. Natural remedies. There are also some natural remedies that have been traditionally used to relieve hangover symptoms. These include consumption of ginger, artichoke extract, peppermint tea, dandelion tea, and supplements such as vitamin B6 and milk thistle. However, it is important to note that scientific evidence on the effectiveness of these remedies is limited. It's important to note that the best way to avoid a hangover is to consume alcohol responsibly or abstain altogether. However, if you decide to drink, doing so in moderation and taking steps such as alternating alcohol consumption with water, eating before drinking, and knowing your personal limits can help reduce the chances of experiencing a hangover. In conclusion, hangover is a response of the body to excessive alcohol intake and is associated with a variety of unpleasant symptoms. There is no instant cure for hangover, but taking steps such as hydrating, getting adequate rest, eating healthy foods, taking painkillers as needed, and avoiding additional alcohol consumption can help relieve symptoms and speed recovery. Each person may experience a hangover differently, so it's important to listen to your body and attend to its needs during this recovery process. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world of hangovers, from understanding what they are to finding ways to make them a bit more manageable. With these tips and insights, you're better equipped to handle those post-celebration moments. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We're always eager to hear your thoughts, so drop your questions, remedies, and funny hangover stories in the comments section below. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you're the first to know when we bring you more enlightening insights on health, well-being, and all things lifestyle. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Remember, just like finding the perfect remedy for a hangover, knowledge empowers you to make better choices. Stay responsible, stay hydrated, and keep celebrating life.